In this comprehensive review, we unveil the top 10 video doorbells to enhance your home security. Please check the video description to get a special deal. Let's dive into our recommendations. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell, Venetian Bronze. The Ring Video Doorbell in Venetian Bronze combines 1080p HD video, improved motion detection, and easy installation. Ideal for those seeking a sleek and secure solution, it offers advanced features to monitor your front door seamlessly. Pros: high-quality 1080p HD video, improved motion detection, easy installation for hassle-free setup. Cons: pricier compared to some alternatives. Number 2. Blink Video Doorbell, Black. The Blink Video Doorbell in Black stands out with two-way audio, HD video, and Alexa integration. Whether wired or wire-free, it's an affordable option with reliable motion alerts and chime app features. Pros: two-way audio for communication, HD video quality, budget-friendly price. Cons: slightly lower user ratings compared to top contenders. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Wired. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired impresses with two-way talk, advanced motion detection, and real-time alerts. A wiring-required solution, it ensures enhanced security with its HD camera and seamless monitoring capabilities. Pros: two-way talk functionality, advanced motion detection, real-time alerts for prompt notifications. Cons: requires wiring for installation. Number 4. Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, White. For outdoor surveillance, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery in White excels. Offering weather-resistant features, live view, color night vision, and two-way talk, it's a reliable choice for extended security coverage. Pros: weather-resistant design, color night vision, two-way talk for communication. Cons: relatively higher price point. Number 5. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Enhance your front door security with the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Featuring expanded head-to-toe HD plus video and color night vision, it offers peace of mind with reliable motion detection and two-way talk. Pros: expanded HD plus video coverage, color night vision for clear visuals, two-way talk for communication. Cons: higher cost compared to basic models. Number 6. Certified Refurbished Blink Video Doorbell, Black. The Certified Refurbished Blink Video Doorbell in Black combines two-way audio, HD video, and Alexa compatibility. Whether wired or wire-free, it's a cost-effective solution, though it may come with minor cosmetic imperfections. Pros: two-way audio functionality, HD video quality, budget-friendly pricing for a refurbished device. Cons: limited availability due to being refurbished. Number 7. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Step up your security with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, boasting best-in-class features. With cutting-edge technology and existing doorbell wiring, it offers superior video quality, advanced motion detection, and enhanced security. Pros: best-in-class features, superior video quality, advanced motion detection capabilities. Cons: higher upfront costs and wiring required. Number 8. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro, upgraded with added security features in a sleek design, ensures a stylish and secure entrance. With existing doorbell wiring, it provides reliable monitoring, though at a slightly lower cost than the Pro 2. Pros. Upgraded design with added security features. Utilizes existing doorbell wiring. Balanced cost for enhanced security. Cons. Not as feature-rich as the Pro 2. Number 9. Certified refurbished Ring Spotlight Cam Plus, battery, white. For a cost-effective outdoor solution, the certified refurbished Ring Spotlight Cam Plus in white offers two-way talk, color night vision, and a security siren. Note that being refurbished may come with minor cosmetic flaws. Pros. Two-way talk and color night vision. Integrated security siren for added deterrence. Cost-effective refurbished option. Cons. Limited availability due to being refurbished. Number 10. All-new Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, 4-camera system. The all-new Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, excels as a wire-free smart security camera system. With a 2-year battery life, two-way audio, and enhanced motion detection, it provides comprehensive coverage for your property. Pros. Wire-free design for easy installation. Extended 2-year battery life. Two-way audio and enhanced motion detection. Cons. Requires periodic battery replacements. Secure your home with the best video doorbell tailored to your needs. Whether you prioritize advanced features, budget-friendly options, or outdoor surveillance, our top picks cover it all.